Okay, in this video we're going to cover how to use xSky to send a broadcast. You're going to go into your xSky as you see right here, and you'll click the group that you created, or rather a category that you created where you want to send that particular broadcast. As you see, I have different subcategories, or rather different categories I mean. And what I'm going to do in this particular instance is, since this is a test broadcast, I've created a category called tests, which is some people that know that this is a test broadcast. So I click on there and it'll tell you how many that you've checked. In this particular one, I've only got 3 in that particular group. I mean, you can literally send out to thousands at a time. But like I say, this is just for illustrations. And now what you'll do is you'll go up to your bar here and you'll click Send Broadcast. A window will pop up as you see there. Now if you've got a message that you've already created before, you'll click Load Message and you'll pull it up. But what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and create one from scratch. And I'll say hello, and what I'll do is I'll go ahead and use a first name tag. Okay, and you can also put the emotion comms in here if you want to put something to jazz it up a little bit. You know, put maybe a little smiley face there and laughing out loud, just being a little silly there. And I'll put on here okay. Alright, now I put that in there. Now you've also got the option of using the footer. I generally don't recommend using this with a link or something in here, but if you want to, you can create a message and put it in here. I always don't recommend sending out links unless somebody actually asks for it, but you could include a little message that'll go in there as with everything if you want. Like I said, on this one I'm not going to include it. I'm just going to go ahead and send the broadcast. Now once I've done it, what you can do, once you've created one, let's say it's a broadcast that you're going to do more than once, then you'll want to go ahead on and save it. Like I say, save test messages. Now I've already created a folder called xSky Messages, and I'll just call this one Test Broadcast. And click that Save. Now at this point you've already got that, and you go up to the Send Broadcast. Now notice when I move my mouse up to this, it says right here the xSky and Skype terms of service agreement. You can click on those if you want to see them, but that just reminds you that you don't want to spam people. So now you click Send Broadcast, and as you see, it's sending the broadcast. Now what we can do, if you want to get an idea and see it, I'll go into the show log right here, and as you see, that shows what happened just now. Okay, it shows right in here that I sent the broadcast to these 3 people. And one other thing too, I want you to be mindful of: before you select a group to send a broadcast to, go ahead and click Uncheck All to make sure there's nothing checked, because you don't want to send it to a place that maybe you don't necessarily want to send, or somebody or a group that you don't want to send to. And then scroll down and check the group that you want to broadcast to. And that's it.